How to add a big follow button on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode I'm going to show you the ways to add a big follow button on Instagram. In order to get a big follow button on Instagram, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log in into your Instagram account and make sure that your account is business account. If you don't have it, so then you have to switch to business account. So for that, go ahead and open up your profile page and tap the tab bar icon. Right on this page, you just need to scroll down a bit and then you need to find or locate account types and tools. Go ahead and select switch to professional account and make sure to click on the continue button and switch over to your professional account. So when you've actually followed all of these, and now you just have to go ahead and complete all of these procedure, then what you have to do is you just have to head over to your profile page and then go to edit profile. When you press on edit profile, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So right on this page, you'll be able to find an option as follow button or a big follow button, something similar like that. But this following feature is only available in certain part of the world, and for that you must have a certain number of followers as well. I don't meet the criteria, so I'm unable to show you the procedure, but you will be able to find the following option right on this page, and you should be able to add a big follow button on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.